My name is Gary, and welcome to Alcatel-Lucent. Thanks for joining us here today at Interop. I want to help you today change the conversation a little bit, specifically how we can help you and your network adapt to the new ways that we communicate today. Now, quite a tall order, we realize that. Today's enterprises are more challenged than ever. First, everything's going virtual, and all those virtual applications and desktops are putting a strain on your network. Add to that the explosion of new devices like smartphones and tablets. Well, of course, they're not easy to manage either. These innovations are also increasing network traffic, which is no doubt straining your bandwidth as well. Problem is, the greater the demand on the network, the more complex and difficult it becomes to manage. That's why building a single, converged, higher performing, less IT intensive network makes so much sense. And that's exactly what Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise has done. We're creating a new type of network that addresses the new way that we're communicating today. It's called the Application Fluent Network, and it's designed to deliver the benefits of real-time application delivery with minimal latency, adapting dynamically to the unique requirements of each application and every user. Voice, data, video, all delivered without interruption. No lag, garbled calls, or jittery transmissions. Instead, you have ironclad security, centralized quality of service management, and a streamlined green architecture that requires less equipment and less power. It's an infrastructure that's built with open, standards-based products that can be configured, deployed, and expanded in just minutes, not months. Okay, so the Application Fluent Network gives your network a whole new set of characteristics without the complexity and cost, but it does give you the performance that you need for critical business applications, and it gives you the ability to give that high-quality user experience to your customers. So let's take a quick look at the three main components that make up the Application Fluent Network. First, it's based on a resilient architecture and the creation of a single network for voice, video, data, and storage. By creating that simplified network topology with reduced layers, you can increase optimization of all elements, provide embedded security that's transparent to users, and lay the foundation for a low latency operation. This architecture can also offer virtualization of switch fabric so you can optimize your network and provide transparent resiliency for recovery from link and switch failure. Next, an Application Fluent Network must give you control of real-time applications with the unique ability to tune network performance based upon the user, the application, and the device. Now, for instance here, you've got the ability to create directed profiles, which can let you switch embedded profiles to users or endpoints. Our auto sensing lets you recognize endpoints, users' devices, and applications, and monitor their service levels. And policy-driven performance lets you set up specific actions that should be taken when specific network events do occur. Okay, third, an Application Fluent Network should streamline operations through automatic provisioning of switches, voice over IP phones, wireless access points, and of course even something like this whiteboard here. You can do it all without highly skilled personnel. There's also our converged management, a portal, our OmniVista product for control and monitoring of network elements in real time. And through our common OmniSwitch feature set, you can reduce operational complexity as well. All of this reduces the burden on your IT team through automation and integrated tools for troubleshooting, and also reduces power consumption from 40 to 70%. Okay, actually there's lots of products in the Alcatel-Lucent product portfolio that you can use to create your own Application Fluent Network. So if you've got the time, why don't we take about an hour and a half right now and go through every one of these products in painstaking detail. Okay? Great, you got an hour and a half? I'm kidding, but how about 2 more minutes of your time here, and I've got talking about the 5 key ways that you can use these products to change the conversation in your business today. Specifically, how you can open it, enable it, understand and orchestrate it, see it, and secure the conversation, and these are the 5 different areas of our booth. First, you want to open the conversation. To do that, head right over here to check out our Open Touch platform. It has multimedia and SIP services using the MyIC phone and other devices at any time or location. Now when your employees are at their desk, they can take their conversations with them without missing a beat. Okay, next, you need to enable the conversation with a robust and green infrastructure. There's no better way to do that when with our enterprise data center switching solution, making its North American debut and winner, okay, of Best of Interop. That's right back there, we're showing it off. We're super proud of that fact. We just won that today. Back there, you can check out our OmniSwitch 10K. It's a core and end-of-road data switch. Actually, we're running it right back there with 256 ports of 10 gig. Also want to check out the OmniSwitch 16850E series, top-of-rack switch for 1 gig E servers, and the new OmniSwitch 6900 stackable LAN switches back there, compact, high-density 10 gig E and 40 gig E platforms that are designed for the most demanding networks. These products really give you top-of-line performance that you need and really are also leaders in power efficiency. Okay, so we've opened things up, given you the power to make things happen. Now we need to understand and orchestrate the conversation. Now our OmniVista 2500 network management application can help you do just that. It's the foundation for managing your network and gives you a unified view of the network and everything you need to support next-generation devices and their applications. In that same area of the booth, right back there, you'll find our new OmniVista 2500 Virtual Machine Manager. Gives you a new way to address network management constraints that you might encounter with network virtualization and gives you mobility in the data center. Our Vital Suite advanced reporting software also over there lets you easily transform data here, performance data, into dynamic reports that can determine the status of your applications and network infrastructure very quickly. All right, our next step is to see the conversation. So if you head over to that part of the booth, you can see our visual communication suite right over there. Highly visual and connected environment where you can access at any time by your employees. It also makes video very reliable and a cost-effective tool that you can use to improve your teamwork and collaboration, make better decisions faster, and increase the engagement of remote and mobile employees. All right. Lastly, I do want to mention our ability to secure the conversation. To do that, you can check out our Safe NAC solution, our Safe Network Access Control solution, which you'll find right over there in that part of the booth. While you're there, you also want to check out our Vital QIP end-to-end feature-rich IP-based address management security tool that's very cool, so we do hope you spend some time over there as well. So as you can see, lots of different products that you can find in our very broad product portfolio. How you decide to use them, put them together, and customize them is really up to you. We'll help you do that, of course, to create your own application fluent network. Obviously, there are lots of different verticals that you guys might represent, from education to medical, hospitality, but at the heart of it, it's the ability to understand the new way that we're communicating today and provide a network infrastructure that will enable that and provide the type of robust application enablement that you guys need. So to that end, I'll send you back into the booth here. Each one of these 5 areas you'll find across the headers of each one of those areas in the booth. We do hope you'll spend some time with us, talk to one of our reps. Our digital signage area right up there up front, don't forget to check that out as well. And again, Best of Interop right back there. Do check out our switching solution right back there. At this time, we'll collect those information cards right over here with Rebecca. Make sure everybody has turned one in. We're going to use it for an iPad giveaway at the end of the day. Come back at 4:40. We're going to give it away right then. Thanks, everybody. Have a great show. Bye-bye.